Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite little tools that can be a great time saver, and it is this drill and driver bit combination. It serves two functions. The first is it allows you to pilot a hole with the drill bit, and there's a countersink on the end of this, which gives you a nice tidy little hole where the head of the screw can go so the wood won't split. And then on the other side, it has a Phillips head bit. This locks in place with this collar. Collar unlocks, and you can switch it over all day long very quickly. This particular tool has the added benefit of having the Allen key that loosens the nuts that hold in place the drill bit. The Phillips head bit, and the entire assembly, this entire assembly with the countersink and the drill bit. So you can change that out if that ever gets worn or breaks. Where this comes in handy is when you have to pilot a hole, you have a drill bit, and then you have to switch over to your impact driver, or switch the bit to Phillips head. And then we've used two drills. But with this particular bit, we put this on here, we get rid of the drill, and we only have the impact driver where we can switch that out. Screw that in place, all with one unit. You can see how quickly it is. You can change that out left and right. The added benefit of having the countersink is in fine wood products like cabinet making and things like that. This pine is so soft the screw goes in and it doesn't split or chip the wood. But if you're using oak or something where a countersink would come in handy, this has that countersink already built in. This is one of my favorite little tools that you can get. This particular brand is Cobalt. I've used DeWalt, Milwaukee. There's a variety of different brands, and links to all of them will be in the description below the video.
If you found this video helpful, let us know by clicking like and consider subscribing to our channel. Feel free to message us in the comments section with any constructive questions or suggestions.